Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to clone apps on the Poco C61. Now to do that, just open the Play Store app on your smartphone. Now in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just install this app on your smartphone. Now it will take a few seconds to download this app on your smartphone. And once this app is fully downloaded, just tap on open. Now from here, just tap on agree and continue and tap on continue. Now from here, just give this app these permissions. Now just tap on allow all. From here, just tap on start. Now from here, just tap on add to parallel space. Now just tap on accept. Now as you can see, it automatically created a cloned version of the YouTube app and the Google Chrome app. Now if you want to create a cloned version of another app, just tap on add app. Now from here, just select the apps which you want to create a cloned version of. Just like that. Now once you have selected the apps which you want to create a cloned version of, just tap on add to parallel space. Now as you can see, we have successfully created a cloned version of the selected apps. And this is how you can clone apps on the Poco C61. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.